Right when you lay eyes on the 2025 mint blue camper, you can't help but pause. That soft pastel hue isn't just a color, it's a mood. It's refreshing, calming, and gives off an effortless charm that sets it apart from the usual rugged RVs or dull gray campers. But this isn't just about looks. This camper is a complete experience, and it's built to make travel smoother, smarter, and more stylish than ever. The exterior design is stunning. With aerodynamic curves and matte black trim detailing, the mint blue shell looks like something out of a modern design studio. It feels balanced, cute, yet capable. The body is made from lightweight composite materials, making it easy to tow, maneuver, and park, even with a small SUV or electric vehicle. Step inside, and you're immediately greeted by a space that feels much bigger than it looks. The layout is a masterclass in minimalism. There's a convertible bed that folds into a bench by day, a tiny but functional kitchenette, and clever storage tucked into the floor, walls, and even the ceiling. It's a space that respects your need for both comfort and mobility. What really stands out is the way light fills the camper. With panoramic windows and a skylight overhead, natural light floods the space, making it feel open and airy. And yes, the windows are tinted for privacy, so you get the best of both worlds, visibility and solitude. The kitchenette includes a 2-burner induction stove, a mini fridge, and a collapsible sink setup. It's not a full gourmet kitchen, but it's perfect for everyday meals on the road. There's also a solar setup on the roof with a battery bank tucked underneath, giving you power independence even off-grid. The camper features smart tech too. LED lighting controlled via your phone, USB charging ports throughout, and an efficient climate system that runs quietly. It's comfortable in both warm and chilly conditions, which means year-round usability is totally possible. The bathroom is a compact wet bath, featuring a cassette toilet and a handheld shower. It's tight, but thoughtfully arranged. This camper wasn't built for luxury. It was built for freedom with flair, and it succeeds brilliantly. On the road, it tows like a dream. Lightweight, stable, and barely noticeable behind a hybrid or compact SUV. Even first-time campers will find this setup inviting and easy to handle. What makes the 2025 mint blue camper truly shine is how it balances style with simplicity. It's not just a place to sleep. It's a little mobile haven for those who crave adventure, but want to stay grounded in comfort and design. If you're drawn to soft aesthetics, clean design, and modern mobility, this might be the camper that speaks directly to your style. Like the video if you're as into this camper as we are, comment your favorite feature, and don't forget to subscribe for more unique and beautiful camper reviews.